Welcome to another video. We want to find the maximum of x divided by y in the problem of x having root minus root y equals to root 11, as x comma y are both members of natural numbers, and the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 to the positive infinity. So to solve this problem, we start with, so the problem says root x minus root y equals to root 11. So our first move is we transfer root y to that side. So then we have root y plus root 11. Then we take the square of both sides. So by doing this, we have this equals to root y plus root 11 all raised to the power of 2. If square cancels square root here, we are left with x equals to, so we can just expand this as this is root y bracket root y plus root 11 plus root 11 bracket root y plus root 11. Then this equals to root y multiplied by root y, that is y, plus, and the second becomes root 11y plus, so this is also root 11y plus 11, and all this equals to x. So therefore we have x equals to, combining y and 11 together, so we have y plus 11 plus, so these are the same, which becomes 2 root 11y. On getting to this stage, I want to know the value of y and I want to know the value of x. So we should know that the entire of this 2 root 11y, they are a member of natural number. And so if I let this y just to get the value of x, by letting y to be equals to, suppose I choose, I let it to be 11k raised to the power of 2, as k is also a member of natural number. So since we define x and y based on natural number, so anything we'll be doing here, we define it on natural number if you want to have a valid result. So by replacing y equals to k, 11k square in this, so we have this e plus 11 plus 2 root 11 dot 11k raised to power 2. And the next step is x equals to 11k raised to power 2 plus 11 plus y, the entire of this becomes 2 bracket 11k square. So by combining this, we have 11k square plus, here becomes 22k plus 11. And by factorizing out 11 at this step, so we have x equals to, taking out 11, so this becomes k raised to power 2 plus 2k plus 1, and which we can obviously factorize k squared plus 2k plus 1, or let's say I can compress it to k plus 1 all raised to the power of 2, or we can say k plus 1, k plus 1, but for easy, so we can just say k plus 1 raised to the power 2. So since we have gotten the value of x in terms of k, and we also have y in terms of k, so we can now combine these two together as what we are asked to find, as x divided by y equals to 11 in bracket k plus 1 square divided by, the value of y here is 11k k raised to power of 2. So we can just replace it as this, but 11 cancelled 11 at the numerator and denominator, and thereby we have this as k plus 1 raised to power of 2 divided by k raised to power 2, and then x divided by y equals to, so k plus 1 divided by k all raised to power of 2. Why did I do this? Because both of them are having square, so I can just combine them to be sharing one square. Why the reduction of this becomes 1 divided by k plus 1 all raised to power of 2. So on getting this as the value of x divided by y, which is 1 over k plus 1 raised to power 2, so now can we now get the maximum of x divided by y? So we should know that since the value of k here is a member of natural number, so as k is not equals to 0, since natural number starts from 1, then we have 0, which is always less than 1 divided by k, and this 1 divided by k is less than or equals to 1. So for these conditions, by start plugging the value of natural number here, everything must always greater than 0 and must always less than or equals to 1. So for k equals to 1, we have 1 over 1, which is 1. That is 1 equals to 1. And for k equals to 2, we have 0.5 as 0.5 less than 1. So which means this condition is verified. And also, so we cannot conclude that 1 is the maximum of x over y. So we can just also test for this as 1 is less than 1 over k plus 1, and 1 over k plus 1 is also less than or equals to 2. And why do we have this? So we just try to verify, or let's say we start plugging the value of natural number for the k. So at 1, we have 1 over 1 plus 1, that is 2. So which is true for this. And for k equals to 2, we have 0.5 plus 1, and which is less than 2. And if we keep substituting these values, all must be less than 2. So which means the highest value here is 2, which is our maximum number that we need. So we can now conclude that the maximum of x divided by y equals to 2. So that is the solution to this. And I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that if you know another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Never stop learning. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.